If you're anything like me, it was really time to update my power strips, and I really love this one. This power strip is excellent quality, so I know you're going to be very happy with this purchase. Personally, I love that it's white. I think that is just a little bit more aesthetic with something so utilitarian, and looks a little bit better mixed in with the rest of my decor. This particular one has three prong outlets and then 2 USB outlets, so you can plug your devices straight into this for charging. The extension cord itself has a 2-prong plug. So if you have any outlets in your house that are 2-prong and you can never seem to plug anything in that is 3-prong, then this converts that for you and makes it possible to do that. And this part of it also swivels, so you can flatten it so it's easier to fit behind furniture. It has a 5-foot cord, so you're able to move it around to wherever is going to work for you in your space. And you can use it on the floor like I did, but you can also mount it. And there are 2 ways to do it. It either comes with 2 screws and this little mounting template that you can stick straight on your wall, drill right through it, and perfectly mount it the first time without any mistakes. Or it comes with 4 of these 3M stickers. And I like that they included multiple, so if you ever wanted to move it around, you had that option. This power strip has been working out really great for me, and like I said, it was a big improvement over what I had in my house already.